Some of you may already know, I'm a big fan of Harbor Freight. Their tools are inexpensive and they're great for homeowners who don't want to spend a lot of money on a simple tool. This one is a prime example. This is their angle grinder that you can pick up at most times for $9.99 before tax. I do want to show you guys a quick tip on this to make this angle grinder last a lot longer than what you would expect a $10 tool to last. First, we need to take off the disc or whatever implement you have attached to it. That way it'll give us access to the guard. The guard will come off next. This will simply be removed by a screw with a Phillips head screwdriver. Once you get that removed, you'll then see that there are 4 screws that are actually on the angle grinder itself. Those screws will need to be removed so we can get access to where we can add more grease to make this tool last a little longer. You can see here where some of the grease is leaked out from whenever I originally bought this tool. Those screws aren't tightened down a lot, so some of the grease has a tendency to leak out, and that's not very good. I did tighten them down myself after I realized the grease was leaking out, so I better get a better screwdriver. This one should do it. As you can see, when you open it up, there's not a lot of grease in here. This is pretty much how it comes from the factory. It's almost like they want it to burn up. I don't know, maybe it's the $10 tool. Anyways, you can pick up some multi-purpose grease. This high temperature stuff is what I would recommend. I'm not a grease expert, but it seems to make sense to put high temperature inside of a tool like this. I simply just put a large amount in there to where I felt like it was going to coat everything inside of it nicely and protect all of the gears from getting worn out prematurely. And that's it. Now you just got to put it all back together. Just pop this little piece back on and then put the 4 screws back in. Don't forget to put your guard back on, and then you can install whatever disc you had on there originally. That's all you got to do. Whether or not this will make the tool last longer, I'm not really sure, but I just have a feeling that with a little bit extra grease in there, the wear and tear on this $10 tool will be a little bit less. That way, maybe it'll last you twice as long, who knows? But for 10 bucks, it's worth a shot. I hope this little tool tip helped you guys out. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, leave me a comment if you gave this a shot or if you think it's a good idea, bad idea, either way. As always, get out there, run, bike, and just have fun. We'll see you guys in the next one.